With its fashion-forward sense of style, the Backtrack Leather Motion Collection from Signature Design by Ashley Furniture has you covered with high-tech advancements and down-home comfort. The seating area and armrests are upholstered in a top-grain leather application for true indulgence where it matters most. Love being pampered? With the touch of a button, experience the pure bliss of an air massage system or chill out with the heated seat element. Distinctive elements of this power recliner include power headrests, contemporary waterfall tufting, and a zero-gravity mechanism, further raising the ottoman for better blood flow. You can find your style, selection, and value at American Furniture Warehouse.